Conditioned GARVEY tabletop chain conveyor. It's carrying a 4.5-inch wide chain. That's the Rex 820 style chain. 4.5 wide, of course. Conveyor is made by GARVEY, which is one of our favorites. You'll notice this has a modular body. Each one of these sections are 30 inches long, and you can connect them forever, including changing the chain and putting a curve in, which requires a different chain, as a lot of you know. Adjustable legs, single section rails. We're operating at 120 volt, single phase, through this little Tico controller, and we can contain that in a box for you if you like. Adjust your speed. They do work differently. We're at 15 hertz right now, and after a minute or so holding it in, it starts going up. You can see the speed going up right now. We haven't programmed it yet, so that's why it's inching up very slowly.